Hey guys, this is Vince with Creative Rods. Got a few cars that will be leaving us this week. Wanted to show them to you. You've seen this 69 Camaro. All we got left to do on this one is paint these little spots right here. And you'll see in a few minutes the hood is in our paint booth for Travis to paint. Head back in the shop now. So got a lot going on this week. I think 3 cars going home. We got 2 Camaros and a Charger. Got the guys on this 69 O's taking the body off. Got to take the frame up to Scott's Hot Rods for measurement. Morning.
Morning.
Got Nate Dahl working on the interior on the 36 Ford Street Rod. Travis in his Glazer paint suit. Oh, you breaking out the new white one, huh?
Yeah, boss.
What you getting ready to do?
We're gonna paint that Camaro hood, put some silver stripes, some black paint, see if we can't make a step forward today.
I hear you. Working back on the Bronco.
Wet sand today.
He man, we got off down that trail. He got skinnier.
Yes, we wet sand engine
Roots
bays,
got bigger.
cracks and crevices.
Starting with the engine bay and then working your way out.
Yeah, that way I can get in here one time and don't have to go into that.
I got
A
you.
wet car.
What you sanding that with?
600.
Up to there, and then we got back
Is
on
it
the
multi-step or?
No, 600. We can wet sand 600. When we get everything in 2K here, you can wet sand it for paint. If you have to go backwards, then Travis will kill you.
You got any of that other powder?
They'll leave the 3 in. I thought I'd leave up there.
Yeah, that's not that. Ain't biting very good.
Let's go in the paint booth and see what Travis has got going on out there. Here's the 69 Camaro hood from outside that you saw. Had a couple little dings on the road rash, I guess. Some rocks popped up, so we're gonna repaint the black and the stripes here. And re-clear it, polish it, put it back on. Do the same thing for that header panel that you saw outside. We're working on that this week to get these cars home back to their customers. What's the word of the day? You made me that way. I'm awesome. Anything new? Mixing her up. With Glazer. Later. God, dog is clean in here, boy. Look at that. Down through there.
Yeah.
Where'd all that stuff go? You got to keep a clean shop. Amsoil. Amsoil. We're Amsoil. That's what we put in our cars. Got the S10 back in. It's been on hold. The customer had to put it on hold for a little while, but we're LS1. Got to build the rear end, put it under it. Got the carburetor off the 36, having it rebuilt. Had to buy a new gas tank, new fuel lines, bearings and seals for the rear. Just old school. This thing's original. So guys, that's it for today. A lot going on here at Creative Rods this week, trying to get 3 cars home. Appreciate you watching the shop walk. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have more subscribers. Talk to you later.